Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming your YouTube Pro subscription and billing info, because access problems often stem from payment or account flags. Once done, update the app and browser to the latest stable build so features match backend expectations. Next, clear cache and cookies to remove stale sessions. Sign out and sign back in with your Pro credentials. Make sure two-factor authentication is enabled and your recovery email is correct. This prevents access interruptions while we proceed to deeper fixes. You now diagnose permission and configuration issues that block Pro features. Start by checking channel ownership, manager roles, and any Google Workspace restrictions, because misassigned roles often hide Pro tools. Once done, inspect YouTube Studio, monetization status, feature eligibility, and any content ID or copyright holds that disable capabilities. Then isolate the environment, turn off VPNs, flush DNS, and test on another device or incognito window to separate account problems from local network or cache issues. You finish by applying fixes and validating the result. If billing caused the issue, update the payment method and confirm the charge, or resend invoices and verify plan ID with support. For stuck features, toggle them off, wait 5 to 10 minutes, and re-enable in YouTube Studio to force a sync. If problems persist, escalate. Collect screenshots, precise timestamps, error codes, and account ID so support can reproduce the issue quickly. Troubleshooting tip: if changes don't apply, try a full app reinstall and test on a different network.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.